Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to my 2,852nd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. How about that call last night to stop selling, huh? Did you see this thing turn around and start heading up? Now, there's this. I've got a very tricky OMNI for trading on Wednesday, to the point that I'm probably going to have to Oscarism us into or muscle us into this trade. So just letting you know, kids, it's going to be a very tricky trade tomorrow. You don't really see a lot of up days in this whole section here, right? So calling for another up day here is a very, very tricky call. But OMNI overall has flipped from neutral yesterday to 3/4 bullish, or basically a bullish signal. So the setup, I have to take it. I believe in my OMNI at all times. I will muscle us into probably a S&P, NASDAQ, or Russell trade. Just be prepared for a crazy day tomorrow, because reports come out at 8:30. And reports give Omniacs great fills. So don't let that scare you. Just know that we're going to take an Oscarism trade most likely in one of our trades tomorrow, because we have an instance where Omni is mostly bullish and neutral on a few of our indices. And it's a possibility I've got to get long on a neutral indice, which it's okay, I'm allowed. So just thought I'd explain that to you. Tricky OMNI tomorrow, because it's kind of on Oscar to get us in. If we lose, it's on Oscar. If we win, you can call the OMNI a winner. I'm okay with that. Anyway, just wanted to share that with my Omniacs that are in close with me. You know what's coming tomorrow. Reports in the morning. Don't be afraid. Gets Omniacs great fills. You'll get flash updates from me as we start to get closer. All right, traders, thank you for joining me. I'd love to see you in my live trading room. It's a great place to be. I'm in there right now as I'm recording this video for you. You can get there so simply. You just go to livewithoscar.com. Just join the free membership. You'll get an email. It may go to spam. Check that. Shoot the email back to the website, and you can join me in my live trading room in the snap of a finger. We'd love to have you in there. So please join us at livewithoscar.com. No credit cards are required. Subscribe to these videos. Do that right now and share them around the internet. I'd really appreciate that. If you could do that for me, I'll keep doing these videos for you. So get ready to buy the dips with our rosary beads in hand for trading on 1/15/2025. Traders, remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thanks for tuning in. Good luck trading. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.